Yo, what's going on, guys? So today we got a little bit of a ride with a couple of bikers. Gonna meet I think I'm going to Hyde Park to meet them. So yeah, it might be a little bit of a reckless one today, but we'll see, we'll see. Alright, let's unflip this plate. Alright. Oh, this bike is so loud. Such a beautiful day out today as well. This is the most awkward route. Why is it telling me to turn right? I can go straight. Yeah. Today we had to put this thing here because, boy, I don't know what's gonna happen, man. Watch this, these kids are gonna get my wheelie as well. Gotta put on a little show. Yo, I'm gonna be early to. It's the first time I'm gonna be early to a meet. Oh, I'm sweating. It's so hot. I need air. Alright, so one of the guys just called me and said he's got like a puncture or some shit. So I'm gonna meet this other guy, and then we're gonna try and go to him and see what the fuck is wrong with his tire. Oh, that's fucking please. That is please. I hope this guy is on time and he's there already, because yeah. Oh, still okay. I appreciate it. Oh, this guy too. Oh, very nice people. Very nice people. Hyde Park in the summer is fucking busy, bro. Oh, this guy is he's 100% not here. No, he's not here. Alright, man. Them. We're about to ride the 07. I think it's tuned as well, so let's see what the power was saying. Oh, this is different. This is different. Oh shit, this moves. Yo, I need to tune my R7, bro. Hey, this shit moves.
Are you sure about that?
Alright, bro, this thing tuned is crazy, bro. Oh,
Really?
bro, night and day.
I'm telling you.
Night and day.
Mad, yeah?
What the? Yo, how does that even happen? Brother's on the wrong side of the road. How does that even happen, bro? Does he try to turn? Bro, how? He didn't even look like he was trying to turn. Like, that's head on. Bro, the door's off. The door. Yo. I completely forgot to connect my car though, so the last fucking clip has basically no fucking, yeah, it's just fucked. Oh shit, this bitch loud. I think we're going strip now though, so that should be fun. That should be fun. It's gonna be my first time going to a place to actually practice wheelies and shit. Look at this fucking guy. Bro, active today. Alright. Oh, shut up. Put my plate to the sky. Oh shit, another crash. Another one. Bro, the Akis are crashing today. Oh bro, I'm really gonna have to blur like so many plates, bro. Yo, this guy on the 125, bro. Have you seen when the R7 he done that and he went up? Huh? Have you seen it when he did that with the R7 and the wheel went up?
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Am I fitting through this? Oh, this guy's finding the gaps. 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 I don't know if I can post this video, you know. I don't, bro. I don't think I could post this. Yo, bike is hot. Bike is hot. Oh yeah, the 125. Yeah, he's gone. Yeah, bro, he's fucking gone. Do you remember when you was a kid and like you was riding a bicycle and you saw a group of bikers just ride past and you thought them fucking guys look cool as shit, man. And then you end up, I don't know, like 5 years later being one of the guys. Yeah, bikers, we're never in the right lane. As soon as we pass our test, we're in whatever the fucking lane we want to be in, bro. Oh man, I really wish fucking Amir was here, man. Bro's looking at the girls, bro. Keep your eyes on the road, my boy. Shit, bro. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a long day for him. Oh, police are not fucking around today, bro. This car's moving reckless, blood. Alright, the whole ship, yeah? Alright. Yo, okay, that was probably the furthest back I've ever been. Yeah, this shit crazy right now, guys. I ain't even gonna lie, man. Like, I've never been to a strip and just done wheelies before. It's getting to the point I can't even see where I'm going when I bust a wheelie. This guy, he's trying to bust wheelies on the 125s. It's going crazy. It's a fun time still. This bike is crazy, bro. Bro, as soon as you hit like... Shit. I had that bike, I'd be dead.